Tanner is back in the house with the Winter Solstice. So this drink is a cross between a Manhattan and a Boulevardier, okay, for all you drinkers out there. And it's pretty easy to mix. It doesn't do anything crazy, super crazy in here. Amaro, okay, come behind it with some bourbon. All right, there's no special crazy infusion syrups in here, so you could make this. Followed up with some sweet vermouth, okay? Black walnut bitters, nice, ice, stir, and that's basically the drink. And it's a delicious drink, classy, elegant, okay, for all, and you know there's ain't no mixes in that bad boy, so that's good to go. Then he grabs a little lemon peel, okay? Now it's nice thick spot, because he's gonna heat that up and get us that nice expression, beautiful. Then he gets another piece of lemon, twist, drop that in, you see what I'm saying? And there you have it. What's it called, Tanner?
The Winter Solstice.
Exactly. Now I want you to taste this and just tell us what we're tasting, okay?
All right.
Let him taste his own drink. See what I'm saying? You get a more honest description.
Delicious.
That isn't too vague. Like, what did you taste? I mean, like, tell us the comment because your palate's way better than mine.
So it's got a little nuttiness and some herbs from the Amaro and the black walnut bitters. I call it the Winter Solstice because I like to give it the winter herbs and a little bit more aromas. So it's a combination between a Boulevardier and a Manhattan.
Okay, so it's a cross. It's a meeting in the middle of a Boulevardier and a Manhattan.
Yes.
This is very advanced drinking, okay? All you Gatorade drinkers, Gatorade vodka drinkers out there, this is a step up. How'd you come up with this though? What caused you to put this together?
We kind of wanted to use Amaro and bourbon in a cocktail together and not do just like a black Manhattan or just like Amaro Boulevardier. We wanted to give it a little flair. So that's where the black walnut bitters, the lemon oils, and just a little bit of the Amaro come in. If
you guys are wondering why he's so shy today, it's because his fiance is watching.
Yes, she is.
You want to introduce her?
Sure, come up here.
Probably gonna cut through the middle there. Oh, she got behind. Okay, this is the fiance. Okay, the wedding's taking place soon. All right, so wish them happy. What wedding greetings? Marriage greetings?
Marriage greetings. Yeah.
Happy. I'm in love with you or something like that. Okay, on his Instagram at the Barologist. The dude's really good, man. Check out some of the cocktails he's made. Okay. Stay tipsy, my friends. Okay, and send your wedding gifts. You can send them to me and whatever I don't take, I'll pass it on. Stay tipsy.